Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Friday morning, and welcome to Warsaw, and welcome to the CBD of Warsaw. We have a great view behind me of just a large number of the skyscrapers that are in Warsaw. We thought we'd give you kind of a view of what's going on. A lot of on the residential side, office side, hotel side. It's all here behind me. Kind of like a little kickoff for Friday. So we wanted to show you what was happening, and a lot of nice buildings. And the streets are busy. Warsaw's booming. A lot of things are going on here in Poland. So great place to invest and develop properties, and on the residential, retail, office side. So we'll shoot over to our studio here in Warsaw, and we'll get the news with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief. So good Friday morning. Welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We are weekend ready. We hope everybody's had a great week. First start of the school year already, kicking off yesterday. A lot happening on the retail sector already. We had the grand opening, of course, yesterday of Adidas, their flagship store here in Warsaw. And also last week we mentioned Uniqlo, which is opening a pop-up store this weekend, or next month in Warsaw. So a lot of exciting things, a lot of new brands coming to the market here in Central Eastern Europe. So great to see them starting to open, starting to, let's say, even revive after all of this crazy COVID stuff. So good to see everything slowly coming back to normal, or quickly now coming back to normal. So we got a lot going on. We're in full swing of our CEE investment guide for EXPO Real. A lot of new advertisements in it, a lot of new articles on office, warehouse, retail, investment. A lot of things going on that'll come out the first week of October with the kickoff of EXPO Real. Also, our events, our CRE Awards in Budapest covering Southeastern Europe, going very well. And also our CEE Investment Awards 1 week later on the 27th of October. We hope you'll all join us for that. And of course, in end of November, the MAPIC fair and our retail guide. So we hope you guys, if you have any projects, any opportunities for retailers, definitely a good idea to put something in the magazine for that. So we'll take a little break now, and we'll come back with Winston Norman and to wrap up the whole week's worth of, our last day of the week's worth of news. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 4th annual Europa Property CRE Awards, the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the surrounding region. After a year of online events, now we are finally able to meet face-to-face with international, regional, and local commercial real estate professionals. With over 10 countries covered, including Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovenia, Slovakia, Serbia, Croatia, Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Albania, and Ukraine, this will be an event not to be missed. Check out our website, creawards.net or EuropaProperty.com. So welcome back, Winston. Good to see you.
All right, Craig, how's it going?
Good to see you on the last day of the week. It'd be interesting to see what we have interesting happening on the news, but it seems like a lot is going on now. People are back.
Yeah, there's a lot. I've got a lot of news on the office market today, and we'll start in Warsaw, where Adgar Poland has acquired the Renaissance Tower from Octava Property. This is a 15-story office building with 18,000 square meters. It was completed in 2001 and underwent extensive renovations in 2013. And the property will soon change its name to Adgar Renaissance Tower, and is to become the latest location for Adgar Poland to open its own Brain Embassy co-working center.
Wow.
Yeah, and they will also, Adgar is planning to refurbish this building even more, so it offers some more higher standards to tenants to bring it up to date.
Very exciting.
Moving to the Tri-City in Gdansk, and the Olivia Center is set, according to the developers or the owners, is set to break all records in terms of leasing for 2022. The first 6 months of 2022, they've leased over 22,000 square meters. So it's a lot of space up there. Yeah. And last year, they leased 40,000 square meters. And they're projecting by the end of this year, it's going to be a lot more leased as well. Olivia has 170. They remind us that Olivia has 175,000 square meters of GLA. So
potentially some good opportunities left.
A lot of work to do there, and it's they're very confident of filling up the office space there, and it's the largest office project in Poland apparently.
Wow, yeah, and Tri-City, great location to have an office.
Yeah, that's right. And according to Olivia Centre, they say that they talk with their clients, and in conversation, it's the advantages of the area is the sea, the beach, the high quality air, and the extensive landscape around the city there. So it's a good place to have your head office or offices.
It's already talking me into moving the office there. Sounds great.
Up to the Tri-City for you then, Craig. Moving to Wrocław and staying in the office market, and Savills have announced that the Grunwaldzki Centre in Wrocław has been fully refurbed. So again, this is an older office building that's gone through a complete renovation, which is really popular today with office owners. And what they've done here is they've replaced the LEDs or the traditional lighting with LED. They've got the top of the range air conditioning. They're also going to all this complies with EU directives, which will take effect in 2013, so lowering the carbon footprint, etc. And it's still set to get further revamps throughout the year, and they're going to be installing solar panels on the rooftops. So,
wow! So really is with all, and plus with the price increase of energy, probably good to have it as green as possible.
Of course, yeah, and like I said, this is common now, and this energy crisis is bringing new opportunities for certain players on the market.
It's making it look cheaper to make it green. Solar panels and stuff that was too expensive before now fits in line.
Yeah, and staying in the office market and moving to Romania and in Bucharest, Skanska has announced that the new building Equilibrium 1. Which is the first building of the Equilibrium project. They've got a new tenant, which is Calais Box, which has the Zepp Canteen restaurant. And this is Equilibrium 1 is a 12-story A-class building in Bucharest with 20,000 square meters of leasable area. It currently holds LEED Platinum and Well Health and Safety certificates, and is currently 100% powered on renewable energy sources. So again,
wow,
going towards the zero carbon footprint, and this is another common theme. And the second phase is underway, and that will provide an additional 40,000 square meters to this particular development. And lastly today, NREP, a leading urban investor with 18 billion of assets under management, has announced the appointment of Jesse Shapins as head of urban strategy and design and co-lead of the urban development team, which is developing a blueprint for sustainable and inclusive neighborhoods. And he'll be relocating to Copenhagen, where he'll oversee this strategy in both Denmark and internationally.
Oh, great. So that's all we have for the day?
That's all the news for today.
All right. Well, we hope that you all have a great weekend and a great evening today, and we will in a safe weekend, and we'll see you Monday morning with the news. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.